Good Monday. Oh yeah, I'm going to be deep frying pork belly again. I know, I'm deep frying a lot. I've spent my whole life never really deep fried anything. And then I deep fried I think some eggs for some deviled ham. And then a few months later I did my fish and chips. I'd never made fish and chips. And they came out so great, you sort of get addicted. You get addicted to deep frying. And I swear I'm breaking the cycle today. I had this idea of deep frying pork belly, beer batter pork belly. And they came out pretty good. But then I deep fried egg yolks. I deep fried egg yolks and I dipped the egg yolks in beer batter and then in breadcrumbs. And they came out like golden, but so crusty that I could actually slice open the egg yolks. So then I was thinking that's how I should have deep fried the pork belly. I'm going to cut them into strips to make them sort of like fries. I'm going to repeat what I did last time. I'm going to cook these in a pan with some water, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, green onions, ginger, and garlic. And we're going to cook them for about 30 minutes. And this gets rid of some of the excess fat, and you also tenderize the meat. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. I think these pork bellies look a lot better than just dipping it in beer batter. And here we've got some ranch dressing. Let me move that over here. And our pork bellies. And they are much crispier, much more golden brown than just dipping them in the beer batter alone. I don't know if you can see that. Let's take a bite and see how crunchy they are. In ranch dressing. Of course they're doing the lawn. They're doing the lawn! Why are you doing the lawn? Oh, these are so much better. Dip them in beer batter, dip them in breadcrumbs. They are so much better than my first ones. Look at this. Look how pretty. Look how pretty! It looks like a shrimp, but it's not, it's pork. It looks like a shrimp. Let's see if it tastes like shrimp. It's so freaking tender though. It's a little meaty, it's a little fatty, and it's crunchy. And I don't think you get any better than that. All right, I'm going to take one more bite, and thank you. Thank you for watching. Try this. Deep fried beer belly. I'm going to get a beer belly. Deep fried pork belly. These are good. These are good. I got to say. I'm not just saying it. No one's paying me to say that. Wow. I'm just saying. Thanks for watching.